trunk's been having this rattling noise like it's not closing all the way, and my tail light seems to be off slightly. So if I push it down, and I think I figured out why. So I think it's because the trunk striker here has been worn out. So you can see the top of it here. It's actually gouged in, and then this side, it's been clipping so much that it made a pretty much upside down V. So I ordered a new one. This one I just ordered off eBay for about $13. And so you can see this one, it's supposed to be flat on both sides. So here's the old one on the left and the new one on the right side. So yeah, it's been pretty deformed. Looks like it's been hitting two different areas. And it looks like I'm gonna have to switch over the light sensor here, because the Corolla one is longer, and this one I think it's for off a different model, so the sensor wire is a little bit shorter. Just like that, just a simple bolt there. Alright, let's test it out. So now it actually latches, lines up now. This side was lower, lines up a little bit better, and now there's no more play in the trunk. So that seems to do the job.